If you're involved in a lawsuit, then most likely at some point in the proceedings, one side or the other is going to file a motion for summary judgment. Essentially, the attorney who is filing the motion is asking the court to rule that there's no genuine issue of material fact. Essentially, either no claim has been raised that merits a trial, or there's no defense that merits the suit going to a trial. Essentially, you're asking the judge to make a decision on the case before it goes any further. So what will happen is the plaintiff will file his complaint, file the lawsuit at the beginning of the process. The defendant then has 20 days to file an answer with the court, stating his defenses, and if there's any counterclaims, he'll put those in the answer as well. So once both the complaint and the answer have been received by the court, either side at that point can file a motion for summary judgment. So what they'll do is they'll draft the motion asking for summary judgment. They'll attach to it a memorandum of law making the legal argument for why the court should allow the motion. They will send it to the opposing side, who will then have 10 days to draft a response to it and send it back to the moving party, to the party who's going to make the motion. That party will then submit both his motion and your response, or the opposing side's response, to the court, and a hearing will be scheduled by the clerk's office. So you'll go to the hearing, you'll make your argument, and the court will listen to the arguments, read the pleadings, and then make a decision. Now, usually if you're involved in personal injury or something like that, the insurance company will file for summary judgment, or whoever you're involved in litigation with, a bank, a business, they'll file for summary judgment, or they'll move for summary judgment in hopes that they can just get the case dismissed before it really gets going. Now, if you succeed at the summary judgment hearing, that means that the court believes that there's merit to the case, and that would incentivize, in many cases, the opposing side, again, whether it's an insurance company, a business, whoever it may be, would incentivize them to reach a settlement before the matter went on to a trial. Okay, so I hope that that gives you a good idea of what summary judgment is. If you file a civil lawsuit, expect the other side to move the court for summary judgment. It's a pretty routine thing for one party or the other to do. And if you need any help, please contact me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.